What's going on, guys? Right now I'm working on the truck, and I haven't made a video in a while. I plan on making more videos now. Right now I'm working on the truck, and I'm running the wiring to it. So I'll show you guys a little bit of what's going on, and I'll also give you guys a little update. So here I got my wiring, temporarily mounted and whatever. I had to cut my transmission tunnel. Just because I wanted it to clear 100%, not have any issues later on. So let's go out to the front of it. That's what I got so far. Went ahead and put a whole set HX40, a radium fuel rail. I think those are RC injectors, 1050X, tile 44mm wastegate, ISR top ram horn turbo manifold. We did let me see, what was it? It was a Aeromotive 340 LPH in-tank fuel pump, all steel braided lines. Ran them under the car. This is where I'm running my wiring through. That's the wiring for the tail lights and everything. Same thing's gonna go on the other side to do the wiring for the headlights and all that. I'll be doing it up here front. So yeah, there's a little update I'm trying to give you guys, just to keep you guys updated with the truck and all that. So I decided to add some pictures of the fuel cell and everything I did to the rear, and also I added pictures of the front end and everything that has been going on. It's been painted since the last time you guys saw it, and a lot of stuff has been done to it since then.